In today's video, we are going to look at one of the amazing home remedy which you have been missing at home. Guess what? We're going to look at mango seed. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use mango seed to make your joystick for you as a man gingertic, energetic, stiff. So if you have a weak joystick and when it comes to making love, your joystick is very weak, you don't go for good time in bed, you don't last longer in bed, you lack stamina, your endurance is low. My dear, today you're going to learn how to use mango seed to obtain all the benefits you need for your bed performance to get better. So, what you have to do is to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. And my dear, I always tell you, if this is your first time to watch a video from this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, please subscribe right now, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course, we have some friends on TikTok, Facebook. So, if you're on TikTok, by the way, and Facebook, run right now, immediately to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and subscribe, because I always upload videos, educative videos for men to improve their performance. So go and subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And if you're on YouTube right now, please watch the entire video from the beginning up the end, leave the name of your country in the comment section, and of course invite your friends to this YouTube channel. I always tell you, being selfish is not good. So after completing this video and you find it educative, please share the video to your friends, share the video in your WhatsApp groups, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. Why not? So that other men can get a chance to watch this video in order to improve their performance when it comes to bedtime. Let us go to our preparation. I'll be back and I tell you more about this home recipe. As I told you, we need mango seed. It means we're going to remove the outer parts of this mango so that we get its inner seed. So, this is an amazing home recipe which will make your joystick stiff, strong. In fact, it will give you energy, it will cleanse your body, and of course, you'll start feeling as a man during bedtime. But before we proceed, please subscribe. If you have never subscribed, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. And I told you we have some friends on TikTok, Facebook. So go to YouTube, look for YouTube channel called Easy Tips 256 for such amazing home remedies for men to improve, or for you to improve your bed performance. So we are going to start with our preparation right now, guys. Very amazing, very interesting. So make sure that you cut the outer parts of this mango, because we need only the inner seed for this mango. Okay, very interesting. Yes, if you lack manpower, if they always talk about you that you don't last longer in bed, this is the best recipe for you. You can be taking every day at home to power like a horse. Okay, this we don't need, this we don't need, these ones we don't need, guys, trust me. So make sure that you get the inner seed of your mango. Okay, guys, don't forget to leave the name of your country in the comment section. Yes, in the comment section. You need the inner seed of this mango. It's not easy to get it, but I'll try. It's inside. I'll try. I'll try to get it. Guys, I'll try to get it. It's not easy, but it's here. Good. These ones. As you see, guys, these ones. I've got it. As you see, this is the inner seed from this mango. Okay, you get it from here, as you see, from here. So this is the inner seeds. From there, we are going to cut into small pieces. As you see, cut it into small pieces. Okay, into smaller pieces. Into smaller pieces. The same to this one. Into small pieces, as you see. Okay, you bring it here. Yes. Next ingredient, we need garlic. So garlic, we need like 5 pieces. This is 1. These are 2 and 3. Me right now, I'm going to use 3 pieces, but for you, you have to use 5 pieces for this home recipe to take place. Only 5 pieces, but for now, because I'm going to show you, okay, I'm going to use 3 pieces. Make sure that you clean your garlic. Remove the outer parts. So you can cut them into at least into 4 pieces. The same to this one. Some pieces. The same to this one. This is our saucepan. So bring them here. We're going to add 300 milligrams of water. Then we are going to cook this home remedy until it boils. After boiling, we are going to filter this home recipe. So I'm going to cook this home recipe until it boils. Then after, I'll be back and I show you what is next. We are back. As you see, this is our home remedy after cooking. You see it has changed its color. Right now it's looking so amazing and interesting, and it's very hot, so it means it will make you to be a real man during bedtime. That we are going to filter this home recipe, guys. Don't forget, we're going to filter this home recipe. We need lemon. It can be yellow in color, it can be green in color. Make sure that you remove the first part, then you cut your lemon into smaller slices. We need like 4 slices. So then bring here your lemon slices. From there we need honey, natural honey. We're going to add a little bit of natural honey. Natural honey, as you see, this is enough. Okay, so bring it here. Make sure that you mix very well to make it more interesting. As you see, here we go, guys. Here we go. Trust me, you like it when you take it, when you follow what I will tell you at the end of this video. I don't think that after completing this video, you'll start throwing away your mango seed, because I think and I guess you couldn't realize the benefits of mango seed. So starting from today, my dear, never and ever throw away your mango seed, because this remedy to help you to make your joystick stiff. Trust me, if you have a weak joystick and when you go for bedtime, okay, with your competitor, it's not strong enough. You need mango seed. And you too, when you go to bedtime, let me say, making love with your partner, and you go for 3 minutes, my dear, you too, you need mango seed. Some of you have been masturbating, you do masturbate. So, to bring back your stamina, to bring back endurance, my dear, you also, you need mango seed. Okay? But before I proceed, me too, I would like to enjoy this recipe. Then I tell you when you're supposed to use it, for how long, and what it does, more and more what it does. So let me first enjoy my home remedy. Me too, I would like to make my joystick stiff, strong during bedtime. So I have to make sure that I take this recipe when it's still warm, okay? Good. Really, tastes good. Yeah, I feel it, by the way. It's nice. So powerful, okay? I'll finish this recipe after completing this video later. So you just need to take this recipe every day in your free time. But I recommend you to take 1 glass before eating anything. If you have free time, you can take at least every day if you can get mango seed. If you cannot get mango seed, I recommend you to take this recipe 3 days in the week. It means you can take it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday if you cannot get mango seed every day. But if you can get it every day, why not take this recipe every day on your empty stomach? Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. I give you real facts. I give you home remedies which I always use myself, because guess what? The video I upload here, the home remedies I upload here, I use them too. And don't forget, I am a professional nutritionist. Okay? I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again to the next video right now here. Click here to watch another video right now, guys.